Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL WP35 WP and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage it, open Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings. In it, password manager, and there we have password which our smartphone remember. We can choose one of that to manage it, maybe to our Netflix account. We click on it. Now we must enter our look screen to get connected to that, and there. After we press this first icon, we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we tap on this ice icon, our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also edit all by tap on edit and write something new in your username, password selection, or add something to your note. After you customize it, press save and you save it. You can also share it by this icon and you can share it to this password to your friends, or you can delete passwords which your smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.